Why your car's performance depends on tires. If I told you that your 400 horsepower car engine is useless without 4 pieces of rubber, would you believe me? Yep, trust me, these are your tires. Today I'll prove why your car's performance lives or dies right here, and how important is it to have a good set of tires for your vehicle. Most people think performance means engines, turbos, exhausts, but if your tires are trash, your car is basically wearing flip-flops. By the end of this video, you'll never look at tires the same way again. I'm going to break this in 6 different parts, and the part number 6 will make you take care of your tires even more. Part number 1, tires. This is your car's only contact with the road. And here's a crazy fact. Your car only touches the road in 4 patches each about the size of your palm. That's it. Not the engine, not the suspension, only your tires. Every acceleration, every turn, and every emergency brake go through those 4 patches of rubber. So if you have weak tires equal to weak car. Part 2, acceleration. Why power is wasted on bad tires? Ever seen a powerful car spinning its wheels? That's not speed. That's lost performance. Bad tires can't grip. So instead of pushing the car forward, they turn power into smoke and noise. More grip equals faster launches. If you have better tires, equal to quicker. That's why some cars feel faster after new tires, even though the engine didn't change at all. Part number 3, braking. This is the most underrated performance factor. Here's where tires literally save lives. Your brakes don't stop the car, your tires do. In tests, the same car with different tires can stop 20 to 30 feet sooner. That's the difference between close call or crash. If you have worn tires, trust me, your stopping distance is way long. If you have quality tires, your car will have better control. This isn't about speed anymore, it's about survival. Let's move to part number 4, handling. Why corners expose bad tires? Ever take a turn and feel the car sliding? That's your tires begging for mercy. Trust me if you have good tires. Your car will stick to the road properly, give steering feedback and feel confident. But if you have bad tires, you will have a result of understeer, oversteer, then the panic starts. So if your tires can't grip in corners, your car can't perform. Simple as that. Part number 5, weather. Now let's talk about dry condition, wet condition, and snow condition. Let's say we have the same car, same driver, different tires. In rain, if you have bad tires, you have a result of hydroplane. Good tires have deep grooves and patterns that help to channel water away. In snow, summer tires are completely useless. Winter tires are what we call game changers. My friend, you need to know that your tires decide whether your car feels planted or out of control. Part number 6, the big myth. When you come across an experienced person, they just fit any tire to your car or start telling you that all tires are the same. You have to be careful because this big lie costs people performance and huge money. Not all tires are equal. Different tires are built for speed, comfort, fuel efficiency, longevity, and grip. Buying the wrong tire is like wearing hiking boots to a sprint race. Remember that the right tires do really unlock your car's true potential. So if your car feels slow, unstable, or unsafe, you need to check your tires first before blaming your car engine. Because the fastest engine in the world means nothing if your tires can't handle it. If you want to know how to choose the perfect tires for your car, watch this video popping up next here. Drive safe.